Hi guys, welcome back to Dream Candy Toy Time. Today we're going to be having some fun with Play-Doh's Doc McStuffin's Doctor Kit. So let's take a look. Dream Candy Club! This kit contains molds for Stuffy, Lammy, Doc, and a lot more, so why don't we go ahead and see what else is in here. Our Doc McStuffin set has a lot of great molds. You can see we have a stamper here for Stuffy, so we can go ahead and make him. We also, of course, have Lammy. And the Doc herself, Doc McStuffins. We have this journal where you can do a mold of Doc right there, as well as Hallie and Chili and more. Plus we have a pencil. We also have, of course, the signature stethoscope. You can snap that right on. And you can see on this side of the stethoscope, we have a cute Band-Aid. And on the other side, there's a pretty heart. We're going to be using 3 cans of Play-Doh today. We have a pretty pink, we have blue, and we have a sparkly purple Play-Doh. And lastly, we have an extruder that can help make us some fun details. So let's get to molding. First, we're going to start with Stuffy. And there we have a perfect mold of Stuffy. Now we're going to do Lammy in hot pink. And there we have Lammy. Next up, Doc McStuffins herself. There's Doc McStuffins in our sparkly purple Play-Doh. Now we're going to have some fun with this journal. First, we can go ahead and do Doc McStuffins. We can do this mold right here. And there she is. There you go, that's an even better look. Now if you open up this book, you can see we have molds for Chili, Hallie the Hippo, and a pencil. So we're going to go ahead and use blue Play-Doh for that. And what's really great about this book is, okay, you cover your molds right here, and then all you have to do is shut the book, push down really, really hard. Let's give it a good push and get rid of any excess Play-Doh. And then when you open it up, ta-da, there you go. Now let's take a closer look. And you can see real close up here, we have Chili. We have Hallie. You can really see in there. There's the back of her dress. And we have a pencil. Now the secret to getting all the detail that you can see right there is when you use this kind of mold, you want to make sure that you use a really big chunk of Play-Doh, so don't thin it out. Make sure you use a big chunk. That way you're going to get all these nice details like her glasses and her eyes, as well as get all the moldings on the back. Looks like we have some purple Play-Doh left to make the molds on the stethoscope. So first we're going to do the Band-Aid. Now that's the kind of Band-Aid I would wear. And we have enough to make this purple heart. Perfect. We're just about done here, but before we go, I wanted to go ahead and use the extruder because we haven't done that yet. So we're going to go ahead and take Lammy and we're going to go ahead and put a nice different colored skirt on her than the pink one we have. So let's do that. All right, let's pack this up with some purple Play-Doh. And when we push on it, we're going to get little slits. And now we can add that to Lammy. She's now complete. Well, thanks for watching our Doc McStuffins Play-Doh playset. Here you can see all the molds that we made today. Now before you go, please remember to hit that subscribe button for new videos every day and the chance to win one of our playsets every month. Thanks for watching Dream Candy Toy Time.
Join our club. Subscribe now.